Hello. Welcome. This video is about how to create an intro, an outro, and a like and subscribe clip for your videos.
You are going to love this video, so please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new uploads are published.
This is the 8th video in a training series about making money with ClickBank. Part of the training is how to generate free traffic, and we started with YouTube. The last video covered how to make videos using free tools and free videos, so you never have to spend money or be on camera. As mentioned, in this video you will see how to create your intro, outro and like and subscribe clips. Although these are not mandatory, they are going to help your videos and your channel, as well as give your channel an edge. The edge is that most channels are not doing this, because they are not aware. Each clip is easy, fast, and free, and once you create them, you can use them over and over again. As you will soon see, they will help you with branding, as well as getting more likes, more subscribers and more watch time, all of which will benefit your channel as well as help your channel get more exposure. We will be using free tools and resources, so there is no need to spend money. In this video, we will be using Filki, which is a free site for outstanding voiceovers. We will be using Clipchamp for our online video editor, which is also free. It is easy to use, and has no watermark. We will be using Renderforest for our logo and intro, and, yes, it is free. We will be using Pixabay for our free videos. The editor, a downloadable video editor that you will be seeing, is Filmora, which is an outstanding video editor, but the free version will have a watermark. OpenShot is a free quality downloadable editor, and it does not have a watermark. We will begin with our intro. If you are questioning the need for an intro, it is not mandatory, but it is a way of branding your channel. Many YouTube creators do not have intros. The reason is that they are not aware. Virtually every movie and every TV show has an intro. The reason is branding. Your intro can be and should be super simple. Your viewers are not watching your videos to see your intro. They are there for the content. So long intros may hurt your channel, but a short intro will help it. A 3 to 5 second intro is fine. An intro over 8 or 9 seconds is probably too long. All you need your intro to do is to put your channel name in front of your viewers. An intro as simple as, your channel. Presence, is fine. Remember that your viewer is watching your video because of your video's content, so do not make your intro too long. There are several ways that you can make your intro. Your video editor has some eye-catching text options. Choose the one you like, then customize it. Again, your intro is to help brand your channel. So it is as simple as your channel presents. Another option that you have for your opener is one of Mr. P's favorite sites. It is free and it is called Renderforest. Renderforest will help you make an impressive intro, and if you do not yet have a logo, it will help you to make your logo as well. At Renderforest, creation is easy, just follow the steps. Another option that you have is to import one of more video clips, animated clips, or GIFs. Then add text and/or voice and music. It is strongly recommended that you add music as well as voice and text. You can import free video clips from sites called free stock video sites. Some of Mr. P's favorites are Pixabay and Pexels. The videos are not only free to use as your own, no attribution is needed. You can get great GIFs for free from a site called Giphy, which is giphy.com. You can get wonderful animation videos, cartoon-like videos for free from sites such as Renderforest and Powtoon. Write a short script, then go to Filki, and turn your script into voice, and download it. Then go to a video site, GIF site, or cartoon site. Search for the kind of video clip, GIF, or cartoon clip that you want. Download it, and then upload it or import it to your editor along with the voiceover from Filki. Co-ordinate your video and voice and add text. When you are satisfied, download.
Win at Losing Weight presents
Mr. P recommends that you create an intro, which, as mentioned, is your channel presents. Also recommended is a like and subscribe clip.
You are going to love this video, so please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new uploads are published.
This asks your viewer to like your video and asks your viewer to join your channel. Mr. P also suggests that you create an outro. The outro should be 20 seconds long, and it can ask for viewers to like your video, to subscribe, and to say thank you. It can also ask for your viewers to comment on your video and to watch this video next. An outro fits perfectly with an end screen, so add an end screen. By the way, it is okay to ask your viewers to like your videos and to subscribe more than once. But too many times can be repulsive, and never beg your viewers for any kind of action. What you are seeing in this video are what Mr. P uses in his videos. They are working for him, so they should work for you. In the next video, we will cover more ways to generate lots of free traffic. If you have not yet given this video a big thumbs up, do that right now. Thank you. And consider joining this channel, so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.